Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. I also am obsessed with flowers and gardening and Easter and spring and everything, and I am just spring head to toe. I have flower pants on. I'm like blue and white today. I'm with my husband. It's the day before Easter, so we're gonna be like preparing. I'm gonna be going to the grocery store and get stuff for deviled eggs, and then I just wanna stop at flower gardening centers because we've been really doing a lot with our property. I love you guys. Let's just spend the day together and let's just be fabulous. Yes, I have La Mer, the lip gloss on my lips over some NARS lipstick. That's what it is. Mwah, let's go. But they're not here because I'm in the middle of the country and then my GPS just takes me to these random places. But I'm trying to find all the flowers.
Take the next left onto North Old Bethlehem Pike.
Look at all these tulips at this house. See, I love that. I love that. Like, it's called trench gardening. We gotta do that this fall. Trench gardening. It's when you dig. Trench gardening is dope. So what you do when you trench garden is you get a machine or your hands or whatever and you dig like this long trench, and then you just plant like so many bulbs in it, and then put like a long trench of just hundreds of bulbs, and then they all just come up in spring. It's incredible. All right, where is this? Okay, here we go. Slow down. Yeah. Oh, I tried coming here the other day. This is it.
Rosedale Growers.
Rosedale Growers.
Destination is on the right.
Oh, here's honeysuckles. This is exactly what I need. Honeysuckles, and they're only available in the spring. What do they need? Who doesn't want to plant honeysuckles? Blooms in summer. Poppies, like that's beautiful. I have a niece named Poppy. In her honor, I'll buy a poppy. In Poppy's honor, I'll buy a poppy. So I found a pretty lady rose. It's a hybrid tea. Hybrid tea roses are what you find in like grocery stores, like they're cut roses. I want to see if so like hybrid tea is like the breed of roses. Hybrid teas are nice. I just want to see if Heirloom carries this breed. The pretty lady rose. Because if Heirloom carries it, that means it's a good rose and it's a cool rose, and I'll buy it. Pretty Lady is the second introduction celebrating the Downtown Abbey TV series. A beautiful dark, even pink color. The blooms reach 4 to 5 inches. A medium compact grower. It will look best towards the front of the bed with taller roses or shrubs in the back. Should we buy it? I think I should buy it. I mean, it's on Heirloom Roses, right? It's 30 bucks here. Heirloom's selling it for 33, and I'd have to pay $10 for shipping and handling. I think this is a good find, honestly, and it's rare because everyone sells knockout roses, and like knockouts aren't my thing. I don't think they're real roses. I'm a rose snob. I think we should buy it. Bam. Can't wait to plant you. It's also about the sneaky little shrubs in the back that look dead, but they're really not dead. I'm like the little old lady you take to the grocery store when you take me to the garden centers, babe. It's like the little old lady that has to look at every single thing. That's me when you take me to the garden center. I'm very particular on what I want also. Very particular. Drift roses are nice, honestly. They're nice ground covers. Quite frankly, Mark, ground covers I'm gonna want in front of the house. Like all the way at the end of our yard. Because they cover a lot of ground. They give off a lot of color. There's only 2 of these left. I'm telling you, Mark. Diamonds in the rough. Here's the little topiaries. I love topiaries. I'm a huge fan. And these are going to be the cone ones. I can't decide if I want. I love poodle spruces for the side of my house. I don't know if I want to get these and commit to cones, or should I do a topiary poodle spruce? I don't know. I kind of want to buy these today, but I don't want to commit. I don't know, babe. I'm not going to commit, but I'm going to go commit to the Pretty Lady Rose. Let's go. And we're going to buy, and I'm going to buy honeysuckles. Come on. Let's roll. Let's roll. Babe, that's ours. Gotta go. She's not a guy, babe. She's a pretty lady. From downtown Abbey. All right, I think I want to get a honeysuckle too because they're hard to find after spring's over. I was just advised. I just put my rose. I put my rose up there and I asked if they were getting any more roses and they told me that there's a rose shortage this year. I don't even know how that's possible, how there's a rose shortage. I'm gonna lose my mind because like you guys know I'm obsessed with roses and I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. How is there a rose shortage? Get more seeds and plant them. Like, God.
A friend of mine used to go around the old houses, you know, dilapidated ones, and get the old rose bushes, and he'd take like a whole piece of it. He'd get